Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Medal.tv black clips. So the first thing what is just to do here is to disable all the overlays because overlays can give you black screen. So as you can see here, Steam has an overlay. If we go on settings here and then here, as you can see, Steam has overlay, so disable it. NVIDIA app has overlay, Discord has overlay, so try to disable all the overlays and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, what I suggest to do next is to try to basically use your game, play a game in windowed borderless screen, because in full screen sometimes it can cause the overlay issue. Then what you can do about it is to go to always use Medal TV as admin. So open up Medal TV as admin and look if the problem persists. Then if you use for NVIDIA, open up NVIDIA control panel, go to manage 3D settings, scroll down a bit, and then until you see, as you can see here, Vulkan, and open GL method, present method. And then press here and select prefer layered on DSG swap chain and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then look for Medal TV, open file location, again open file location here. Then what you need to do here is to go to Medal.txt, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure disable full screen optimizations, and then change high DPI settings and select application and apply and look if the problem persists or not. Then what you need to do here is to copy the path. Then you need to go to graphic settings, go to add the desktop app, then paste the path, add Medal.tv.exe, scroll down a bit until you see Medal.tv, expand this option here, and then make sure to select high performance here and look if the problem persists or not. Also go to on edit power plan, power options, and make sure it's on ultimate performance or high performance here. And also you can do the same with that particular game. So open up Steam or other client, look for the game that you're getting black clips, right click on it, go to properties, installed files, browse. Then what you need to do here is to do the same like on Medal TV exe file. You need to find exe file of that particular game. Then you just need to right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, change high DPI, and do this here as well. Then copy the path again and go to graphic settings. And on graphic settings, do the same, add a exe file here, right? And look if the problem persists when you select a high performance. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.